In this assignment, we want you to use list functions. So we want you to select 3 shapefiles, feature class files really, that are inside a geodatabase that have the same starting letter or letters, such as you're looking for all the files from a certain state. So like KY might be the abbreviation for Kentucky, or IN for Indiana. So we want you to find all the files within that geodatabase, at least 3, that have that same starting letter. Once you find that file, what we want you to do then is be able to list the fields in that file. So first thing you're going to do is list the files that have a certain starting designation, and then you're going to come back and list for each of those files that you selected what fields are inside of it. And this should all be composed in a single script. Most likely you're going to need to use some type of a looping function to make it the most convenient script. So you're working in the immediate window inside of ArcGIS Pro, but you're going to make a loop so you don't have to keep repeating yourself for each file. Just set up the variables correctly. You also probably will end up setting up a list variable to make this work properly. But again, how you do it is left to you. We want it to be the most concise script that you can possibly write. But again, the methods are different for different users and what that user sees as the best way to create the script. So again, each script will be unique, but there are certain mannerisms to keep the script as short as possible.